Hi, Mike from Mike's Carburetor Parts. I was asked a question about a Motorcraft 2150 carburetor and what this tube is used for. And so here I am. I thought I'd explain it in a video real quick. It'll be a pretty short video. So this tube goes down into the main bowl. It just gets gas from the float bowl. And these are the discharge jets right here for it. And what it is, simply at high speeds, when you need more power, the vacuum going through here pulls from these two brass nozzles up through this jet, and it simply pulls gas from the float bowl into the carburetor. So at low speed you don't get as much air in here, and it is basically metered through here. So at low speeds you don't get any fuel pulled up, just at high speed. So it has to be there. These are sometimes broken. I don't think you can buy them, but there you go. I hope that explains it. It's pretty simple if you know what's going on. Alright, so get parts for this 2150 at mikescarb.com, mikescarb.com. Thank you for watching my videos.